Hello and welcome to another very interesting video. This one is about a pretty standard class 10th question. Let's see the question first and then we'll see two different methods to solve the same question, right? The question goes like this. When x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by x square minus 2x plus k, the remainder is x plus a. Find the value of k and a. So one method is the long division method. So first we will do the long division, that is we will divide this polynomial by x square minus 2x plus k. Let's do that. So actually we have to divide x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10, and we are going to divide it by x square minus 2x plus k. Now just note down the steps very carefully. We are going to first multiply here by x square. So x square multiplied by all the 3, we get x into x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus kx square. Just subtract them, change the sign, minus plus minus, this gets cancelled, minus 4x cube plus 16 minus k, you can write that in bracket, x square, note down the next term, minus 25x minus 4x square, you will multiply now, minus 4x. Now minus 4x multiplied by x square is again minus 4x cube plus 8x minus 4kx. Change the sign, plus minus plus, this gets cancelled out. This minus 8 I am taking in the bracket, so 16 minus 8 is 8. So in the bracket we will have 8 minus k square, this is square, right? Yeah. And this is x 4k minus 25 plus 10. We are going to note down this 10 here, right? Now after this step, multiplied by 8 minus k, so we are going to get here 8 minus k, I am writing it here, 8 minus k x square. Then we are going to get minus 2 8 minus k x, and then finally we will get k 8 minus k. Now change the sign, minus plus minus, this and this gets cancelled. You are left with, let's take x common here, and if you take x common, now note down this very carefully, this has become plus, so I am going to write 8 minus k plus, this is what, 4k minus 25, and what is left is here 10 minus k 8 minus k. This is the remainder. But if you remember, the question was saying that remainder is x plus a. So I'm going to erase this part. Remainder was x plus a. So therefore the coefficient of x must be 1. So 1 is equal to this complete term, that is 8k 8 minus k, this is 8 minus k, right, plus 4k minus 25. Solving this, we can write 1 is equal to 8 4k minus k. What we are getting? We should have got, look here, we should have got 10, but if you remember, you have to multiply this 2 also here. If you know, this 2 you have to multiply inside, so this will become, pay attention again here, this 2, if I am writing x here, 8 to the 16, and this minus 2k you will get, right? So here I am going to write again, pay attention, if you can see, this step becomes 1 is equal to 16 minus 2k, this is 8 minus k, right? Is that fine? What was the step just before this one? What was the step just before this one? We are getting 16 minus 2k, we had some 25 thing, right? So we had a 25 here. What was the step just before this one, right? Yeah, this one. If you look at this very carefully, 4k minus 25, and this is 16 minus 2k. So I am writing here, pay attention again, 1 is equal to 16 minus 2k plus 4k minus 25. 1 is equal to 16 plus 2k minus 25. Take everything that side. 26 minus 16 is equal to 2k. 10 is equal to 2k. Therefore, we are getting k is equal to 5. Now, that is the value of k. Once you get the k, then the remainder was very simple. If you remember, a is the remainder here. A, and the next part is a of the remainder, and which is equal to what? That is equal to 10 minus k into 8 minus k. Substitute the value of k. 5 into 8 minus 5. That is equal to 10 minus 5 into 3, which is equal to, I am going to erase everything now, 10 minus 15, that is equal to minus 5. So the answer for this question is k is equal to 5 and a is equal to minus 5. So do we have another method to solve the same question? Of course we have. This one is quite interesting one, because in this method we are going to divide the given polynomial. Let me write just look at the polynomial one more time. X to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by x square minus 2x plus k. The remainder is x plus a. So just subtract the remainder from the given polynomial. In that case, this polynomial is going to divide the above polynomial exactly. So we have subtract this, this dividend is going to become x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 26x plus 10 minus a. Now this should be exactly divisible by x square minus 2x plus k. Let us assume that the quotient is also now another polynomial of degree 2, that is quadratic polynomial, and so we can write x square plus bx plus c. Let this be the quotient. So this multiplied by this polynomial is going to give us the required polynomial, this one. Why I have taken here 1? Because the first one is x to the power 4. So clearly x square into x square is x to the power 4. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to multiply these two term by term and then compare just the values. Just compare the values, okay? So x square into x square is going to give you x to the power 4, no doubt about that. This one is going to give you b x cube. This one is going to give you c x square. This is going to give you minus 2x cube. This is going to give you minus 2bx square. This is going to give you minus 2xc. This is going to give you plus kx square. This is going to give you plus kbx. This is going to give you plus k into c. So this, if you just add the polynomial and compare what you are getting, x to the power 4 is already x to the power 4, no need to compare. B minus 2 must be equal to minus 6. So I am going to write first of all b minus 2 is equal to minus 6. So the value of b is minus 6 plus 2, which is minus 4. So we have just got the value of b. So b is equal to minus 4. So I am going to write this b here. Let me write all the terms here. So b is equal to minus 4. That is 1. Now compare all this x square, c minus 2b plus k. C minus 2b plus k, and this must be equal to what? The term of x square, which is 16. But b we already know, minus 4. So this is going to be c plus 8. So c plus k is equal to 16 minus 8 is going to be 8. This is going to be equation number 2, right? Let's write this equation as equation number 2. And then look at what is for x. We have minus 2c plus kb. This is for x, and for x here we are having minus 26. Again let's put the value of b, minus 4. We will get minus 2c plus minus 4k is equal to minus 26. Divided by minus 2, you will get c plus 2k is equal to 13. That is our equation number 3. Now from equation number 2 and 3, we can find the value of c and k. So what are the values of c and k? Let's see what are the values of c and k. So just pay attention. C plus k, if I multiply by 2c plus 2k is equal to 16, multiply this equation by 2, and this is now we can write 2c plus 2k, right? 2c plus 2k is equal to 16 and c plus 2k is equal to 13. Subtract, minus, minus and minus. This is gone. Oh, sorry. This is not gone. This is gone. C is equal to 16 minus 3, 13, that is 3. So the value of C is equal to 3. Now put the value of C here. The value of K is equal to 8 minus 3, that is 5. We have just got the value of K. And if you just got the value of K, the last term is K into C. If you remember here, this K into C must be equal to, if you can just pause the video and go back, you will find that the remainder was 10 minus A. We already got the value of K and C, so 15. 3 5 is 15 is equal to 10 minus A. So the value of A is equal to 10 minus 15. So the value of A comes out to be minus 5. Now, see, if you just noticed, you must go back and pause the video and see what are the steps. There was one step I was, doing it repeatedly, but never mind. You do it again and again and try and see, compare the two methods. Both the methods are correct. The first one was of long division, the second one is of multiplication. So because we are talking about polynomials, we already know their degrees and we already know the division algorithm, which says that if your dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We have used that also. So there's just a little bit of concept and little bit of work that we have done in order to solve this question. This is a good question. Practice it and see the video. If you have not understood anything, repeat it, and I'm sure you're going to solve many more such questions very easily in mathematics. Thank you for watching.